then contacts William Laidwood, the angry ex-boyfriend of Gabriel Campos Martinez.
William Laidwood is nervous but talkative. He tells police he met Campos Martinez in a men's spa and they dated for 3.5 years. He freely admits to losing control after Gabriel broke up with them and became Harry's lover. Laidwood admits he dumped manure in front of the apartment and made threatening phone calls to Hervé.
He agrees to take a polygraph test, but the results are inconclusive, perhaps because he's lying, or because he's so upset he's throwing off the machine. Either way, there's no hard evidence against the ex-boyfriend. Police let him go, and they follow up on leads provided by a new witness.
The new witness is Amelia de Vivar, a close friend of Herbie's. She tells police that on December 26th, shortly before Herbie disappeared, she had lunch with him and his boyfriend Gabriel.
Amelia says the next day she called Herbie. But Gabriel answered his phone and said that Herbie went to Mexico at the last minute.
Amelia has known Herbie for years and says